In the business report, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund Limited for the 6 months ended June 30, 2024 reports a 29% decrease in 6 months net profit. Net capital losses on financial assets and liabilities amounted to $47.79 million compared to 2023, where there were gains of $96.71 million. This represents a decrease of 149% year over year. Consequently, hotel revenue increased by 4% to $4.13 billion compared to $3.99 billion for the 6 months ended June 30, 2023. Net profit for the 6 months ended June 30, 2024 had a 29% decrease to reach $298.45 million compared to 2023, where net profit was $420.55 million. Proven Properties announced a joint venture partnership with Caribbean Consultants Limited. This partnership includes the acquisition of 50% of the shares in the company that owns One Barbados Place, a 5-story commercial office building in Warrens, St. Michael, Barbados, with the other 50% being owned by CCL. One Barbados Place is a 5-story, 48,000 square foot commercial office building situated on a 1.15-acre lot. The building, which boasts solar power generation capabilities on both the building and carport roofs, is fully tenanted by Republic Bank Barbados on the ground floor and the Government of Barbados' Ministry of Tourism and Barbados Tourism Marketing, Inc. on the upper floors. These tenants will remain post-acquisition. Commercial real estate is an investment opportunity that is under the radar for persons seeking to grow their portfolio. Denise Williams spoke to Jeffrey Hall, CEO of Pandam Group, one of the largest holders of commercial properties in Jamaica, to learn more.
We are here with Mr. Jeffrey Hall, who stands at the center of the amalgamation of several companies within the Jamaica Producers Group and the Pan-Jamaican Group into one holistic company. And so we thought he would be the perfect person to give us an idea of what's happening in the commercial real estate sector. So Jeffrey, your amalgamated company has properties in New Kingston, Manor Park, and downtown Kingston, to name a few. So for the next 3 to 5 years, what's your outlook for commercial real estate in Jamaica?
So commercial real estate depends on a number of factors. A significant factor is the cost of capital or the interest rate.
Yes.
That's in effect the cost of goods sold within the real estate business. Our expectation for interest rates is that they're likely to modulate, which means come down gently relative to the current levels, and that will see some additional supply being on the market. Looking backward, pre-COVID, when interest rates were relatively low, there was quite a bit of supply that was initiated, and that too will come on the market, because that's already volume in construction. So for us, we take the view that what matters now is the quality of the real estate, its use, and its geography. And so we are very strategic in that regard. From a quality perspective, we think the best real estate, and we think a very good portfolio, will have amenities like parking associated with it. It will associate itself with the right understanding of likely traffic flows in the future. We think the right real estate will be energy efficient, and we're making investments in our real estate, both in New Kingston and downtown, to change the energy dynamics of the buildings. We think the right real estate will have a combination of places to work, as in commercial real estate, but it'll be associated with places to stay because of the congestion in the city. And so we're very pleased that not only do we have office buildings, like for example, the Scotia Centre downtown, but we've invested in adjacent business hotels.
Yes.
Like the Rock Hotel, which is downtown as well.
Yes.
In New Kingston, which is a very important part of our business, where you'll see the Jamaica building, our investment in the CIBC headquarters, our investment in other corporate buildings. You'll note that we've also invested in the Courtyard by Marriott, which is adjacent.
Yes.
So taking account of the quality of the real estate is hugely important for us as well. And then obviously people's ability to shop or to engage with food service matters. Mm-hmm. And so you'll see throughout our real estate that combination.
Yes.
And you'll see, for example, in Manor Park, you have a very strong mix of not only retail, but the leading food service brands in the country as well. So for us looking forward, we think there will be supply, it will be competitive, but we think that the winners will be those that pay attention to the details. It's no longer just about throwing up a building in Jamaica. It's about having a building that's well maintained, that's well positioned, that has the right amenities associated with it. And that's where we think we'll continue to do well.
Time now for a look at the financial market updates.
During trading for the period of July 30, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The following companies represent the overall volume leaders. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 4,679,360 units representing 21.26% of the market value in terms of sales of equities. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,607,229 units representing 11.85% of market value in terms of sales of equities. Deramon Trading Company Limited with 2,049,441 units representing 9.31% of market value in terms of sales of equities. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on July 30, 2024, registered a volume of 620,157 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $2,778,366 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 37 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 561,549 shares, changing hands for a value of $2,010,868 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 78 cents, followed by the West Indian Tobacco Company Limited with a volume of 28,345 shares being traded for $227,852 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 70 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the regional stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On July 30, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $53.5 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $59.5 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.42 and bought the US dollar for $155.61. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.81, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $3.05 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $115.71 and bought for $112.66. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.28, selling it for $201.72 and buying it for $195.44.